In order to create a new account, open Extractors application. Read and agree to the terms of service. Enter your email address, a strong password and confirm your password, then click on Sign Up button. Check your inbox for the confirmation email. Click on the link. Your email has been verified. Now enter your email and password and then click on Login button. You can connect your wallet and pay the one-time fee, which will be used to cover withdrawal fees, or you can simply skip this step by clicking on Pay Later button. Enter a nickname of your choice and your real name and last name and click on Save button. You can participate on airdrop by activating the free package, or you can purchase an investment package on Earn section.